U.S. $32.2 billion new JDAM ER Smart Bombs shocked China and Russia. The preeminent smart bomb technology of the day is Boeing's JDAM, which stands for Joint Direct Attack Munition. The basic idea behind the JDAM program is to outfit existing dumb bombs with sophisticated rear guidance sections. The U.S. Air Force is currently using JDAM with the 2,000-pound, 907-kilogram BLU-109 or Mk-84 warhead, or the 1,000-pound, 454-kilogram BLU-110 or Mk-83 warhead. In the air, the JDAM's GPS receiver processes signals from GPS satellites to keep track of its own position. As with other smart bombs, the control system adjusts the flight fins to steer the bomb in the right direction. According to the U.S. Air Force, the system is accurate to within 40 feet, 13 meters. When everything goes exactly right, the bombs generally hit within a few feet of their targets. The JDAM played a major role in the U.S. invasion of Afghanistan in 2001 and will certainly play a significant role in any U.S. bombing campaigns in the near future. While the newest smart bombs aren't 100% accurate, they're such an improvement over their predecessors that they're quickly taking over the U.S. arsenal. The JDAM was meant to improve upon laser-guided bomb and imaging infrared technology, which can be hindered by bad ground and weather conditions. Laser seekers are now being fitted to some JDAMs. The U.S. Air Force's bombing campaign during the Persian Gulf War's Operation Desert Storm was less effective than initially reported, in part because it had no precision bombs that were accurate in all types of weather. There were few GPS satellites, and the idea of using satellite navigation for real-time weapon guidance was untested and controversial. To identify the technical risk associated with an INS GPS-guided weapon, JDAM and the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber made their combat debuts during Operation Allied Force. The B-2s, flying 30-hour non-stop round-trip flights from Whiteman Air Force Base, Missouri, delivered more than 650 JDAMs during Allied Force. The JDAM ER Smart Bomb has caught the attention of nations worldwide, particularly China and Russia. These advanced bombs possess capabilities never seen before, revolutionizing the way warfare is conducted. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind these groundbreaking weapons and their implications for global security. The JDAM ER Smart Bombs combine advanced guidance systems, extended range, and pinpoint accuracy. Equipped with global positioning system guidance, these bombs can hit targets with unparalleled precision, minimizing collateral damage. But what truly sets them apart is their extended range capabilities, allowing them to strike targets from greater distances than ever before. We reached out to military experts to gain insights into the impact of JDAM ER Smart Bombs. General Jonathan Anderson, a renowned strategist, shared his thoughts. JDAM Smart Bombs operational in Ukraine. Ukraine's armed forces are already using a limited number of United States-supplied smart, guided air-to-surface munitions with an extended range against Russian forces. Joint Direct Attack Munition Extended Range, JDAM ER, precision-guided bombs arrived in Ukraine around 3 weeks ago, according to General James Hecker, the U.S. Air Force's top commander in Europe and Africa. The U.S. has recently delivered some precision munitions to Ukraine that have an extended range. Hecker said during a Colorado roundtable discussion, that's a recent capability that we were able to give them probably in the last 3 weeks. The JDAM ER kits are part of the U.S.'s security assistance to Kyiv, which has totaled approximately $32.2 billion since Russian troops crossed the border into Ukraine on February 24, 2022, according to Defense Department data. JDAM ER kits do not appear on a full breakdown of security aid updated as of March 3rd, although it does mention precision aerial munitions. On March 3rd, Secretary of State Antony Blinken announced another round of aid for Ukraine valued at $400 million. The modified winged JDAM ER has a longer range than the JDAM, coming in at around 45 miles. The earlier version had an estimated range of 15 miles. JDAM and JDAM ER kits turn dumb bombs into precision-guided munitions, or accurate adverse weather smart munitions in the words of the U.S. Air Force. The 226-kilogram fire-and-forget weapon is a low-cost way to convert unguided free-fall bombs into smart weapons, according to its manufacturer, Boeing. JDAM or JDAM ER autonomously targets the pre-programmed coordinates, with the JDAM ER wing kit opening up to allow for greater range. But Ukrainian supplies of the JDAM ERs are not extensive, and they have enough to do a couple of strikes. The Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM, uses navigational data from GPS satellites to slam targets within 15 feet of the aiming point. In use since the late 1990s, the weapon will be somewhat easy for the Pentagon to give up, as it lacks the standoff capabilities required for a potential war with China. The Pentagon is planning to include JDAM guidance kits in an upcoming tranche of aid to Ukraine. The Post quoted multiple senior officials who were familiar with the matter. It's not clear whether the Biden administration approved the transfer of JDAMs. For the past 20-plus years, JDAMs have been used in Afghanistan, Iraq, Libya, and other conflict zones. Their time as the go-to weapon in the U.S. arsenal is coming to an end, however. JDAMs have a limited range, 15 miles at most, placing the launching aircraft well within the range of modern air defenses deployed by countries like Russia and China. Newer, longer-range weapons like the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile can strike with the same level of accuracy from hundreds of miles away. The Stormbreaker guided bomb, a direct descendant of JDAM, incorporates pop-out fins to allow the bomb to glide up to 46 miles before hitting its target. Another method for delivering JDAMs is the newly developed ground-launched small-diameter bomb. GLSDB is a 250-pound dumb bomb equipped with a JDAM's guidance package and pop-out fins. It's launched via rocket from a M142 HIMARS or M270 multiple launch rocket system vehicle. GLSDB is similar to the conventional JDAM package but has a range of about 100 miles. Defense contractor Boeing proposed the system for Ukraine, which already operates the M142 and M270. The U.S. does not actually use GLSDB, so there's no capability taken away from Pentagon war planners. The United States has built up Ukraine with formidable capabilities. JDAM will allow Ukraine to destroy targets on the front line, resulting in the need for fewer quantities of other precision-guided munitions, like the GPS-guided Excalibur artillery shell. But launched from the air, it'll expose Ukrainian Air Force jets lobbing the weapons to medium and long-range air defenses. That is, if HIMARS doesn't get them first. JDAM ER Smart Bombs are equipped with advanced guidance systems that enable them to hit their targets with remarkable precision. These guidance systems include GPS, Global Positioning System, and INS, Inertial Navigation System, which work together to provide accurate positioning and navigation throughout the bomb's flight. As a result, JDAM ER Smart Bombs can strike targets with an impressive circular error probability of just a few meters. Thank you for watching our video on JDAM ER Smart Bombs, precision strike capability for modern warfare. We hope you gained valuable insights into the capabilities of these advanced weapons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.